नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, मी सागर दंदाडे माझ्या यूट्यूब चॅनलवर आपले सहर्ष स्वागत करतो. आज 20 जानेवारी 2024 आजच्या नवोदयच्या झालेल्या पेपरची आपण ॲन्सर की बघणार आहोत. 20 जानेवारी 2024 क्वेश्चन सेट आहे के ॲन्सर की. चला ॲन्सर चेक करूया. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ॲन्सर डी, सेकंड ॲन्सर सी, थर्ड ऑप्शन ऑप्शन सी, option D is correct answer. Fourth question, option B correct answer. Question number 5, same figure. Option D is correct answer. Question 6, option 6 is correct answer. Question 7, option B is correct answer. Question 8, option D is the correct answer. Then question number 9, answer B is the correct answer. Question number 10, option C is correct answer. Question number 11, option A is correct answer. Question number 12, option A is correct answer. Then question number 13, answer is option number A. Question number 14, answer is option number B. Question number 14, answer is option B. Question number 15, answer is B. Question number 16, answer is option number B. Question number 17, answer is option number C. Question number 18, answer is option number B. Question number 19, answer is option number C. Question number 20, answer is option number C. Then question number 21, answer is option number B. Question number 22, answer is option number A. Question number 23, answer is option number A. Question number 24, answer is option number C. Then question number 25, answer is option number C. Question number 26, answer is option number A. Question number 27, answer is option number A. Question number 28, option number A is correct answer. Question number 29, answer C is correct. Question number 30, answer A is correct. Question number 31, answer B is correct. Question number 32, option A is correct. Question number 33, option A is correct. Question number 34, answer C is correct. Question number 35, option B is correct. Question number 36, option A is correct. Question number 37, option C is correct. Question number 38, option A is correct. Question number 39, option C is correct. Question number 40, option A is correct. Then next question, 41 number question, and answer is, after solving the question, the answer is there is option number C is our correct answer. Question number 42, option number B is our correct answer. Question number 43, option number C is our correct answer. Question number 44, option number D is correct answer. Question number 45, option D is our correct answer. Question number 46, option D is our correct answer. Question number 47, option A is our correct answer. Question number 48, option B is correct answer. Then question number 49, option D is our correct answer. Then next question is question number 50, option number A is correct answer. Question number 51, option A is correct answer. Question number 52, option C is correct answer. Question number 53, answer is option number A is our correct answer. Uh, Question number 53, answer D is our correct answer. Question number 54, option A is our correct answer. Question number 55, option B is our correct answer. Question number 56, option C is our correct answer. Question number 57, option C is our correct answer. Question number 58, option C is our correct answer. Question number 59, option B is our correct answer. Question number 60, option D is our correct answer. Then question number 61, answer is 1 minute. If you first time in our channel, please subscribe our channel and like us. Next question. Question number 61, the correct answer is option first, quality. Question number 62, option number B is our correct answer. Question number 63, option A is correct. Question number 64, option A is option D is correct. Question number 65, option number C is our correct answer. Question number 66, option A is correct. Sorry, option B is correct answer. Option B is correct answer. Question number 67, option A is correct answer. Question number 68, option number C is correct answer. Question number 69, option B is correct answer. Question number question number 69, answer C is correct answer. Question number 70, option C is correct. Question number 71, answer is option A. Question number 72, option C. Question number 73, option A. Question number 74, option D is correct. Question number 75, option C is correct. Question number 76, option D is correct. Question number 77, option B is correct. Question number 78, option A is correct. Question number 79, option D is correct. And last one, question number 80, the answer is option A. If you like, please share, and thank you.